Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore the wonderful world of small space living with an open concept kitchen and living rooms. If you have a cozy home with limited space, don't worry, we have got some brilliant ideas for you. In this video, we will share tips and inspiring for creating a functional and stylish open concept layout that combines your kitchen and living rooms. Let's dive in. In a small space, it's crucial to define different zones for cooking, dining, and lounging. Use furniture areas, rugs, or even changing in flooring to visual separate these areas while maintaining an open feel. Invest in multifunctional furniture pieces. Consider a fold down dining tables, a sofa, bed, or coffee tables with storage to maximize your space versatility. Open shelving and floating cabinets can create storage without making the space feel cramped. They also add a touch of style by the displaying your kitchen and decorative items. Opt for lights and natural colors to create an open and airy feel. Light colored wall cabinets and furniture can make the space appear longer and more inviting. Use the same flooring materials thought out the space to create a seamless flow. This continuity visual expands the areas, making it feel more spacious. Choose concept applicants to save space in the kitchen areas. Look for smaller shelves, fridges, and dishwashers designed for small kitchens. Maximize natural light by keeping windows unobstructed. Use light windows treatments or sheer curtains to allow sunlight to fill your living areas. Incorporate mirrors and reflector surface to bounce light around the space. Mirrored furniture or statically placed mirrors can create a brighter and more open atmosphere. Utilize vertical space for storage. Tall bookshelves, wall mounted pegboards, or hanging pots and pans can help keep your kitchen organized without taking up valuable floor space. Creating an open concept kitchen and living rooms in a small space is all about smart design and utilizing every inch to its full potential. With the right ideas and a dash of creativity, you can have a functional and stylish living areas that is perfect for cooking, relaxing, and entertaining. Thank you for watching. If you found these small space open concept ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home and design inspiring ideas. If you have any question or want to share your own open concept tips, feel free to leave and comments below.